if the weight of 12 sheets of a thick paper is 40 grams, how many sheets of the same paper would weigh 2.5 kgs? Would weigh 2.5 kgs, they are saying. 2.5 kgs means 2.5 kgs. Yeah. So what happens? Tell me. 12 sheets ka weight is 40 grams. So to weigh 2.5 kgs, what should you do? Should the number of sheets be increased or decreased? What should we do?
Decrease, sir. Decrease.
Decrease.
Decrease. Decrease the number of sheets to increase the weight.
Increase, sir.
Increase, beta.
Increase, sir.
Then
Increase.
more the sheets, more the weight. Less the sheets, less the weight. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what happens? What is it a case of direct proportion? Is it a case of direct proportion?
Yes, sir.
What is directly proportional to what? Children, what is proportional to what?
Number of papers and weight.
Correct. So what are we going to write? The given information can be tabulated as. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, right then. Why are you not answering? The given information can be tabulated as. What should be the first column? Number of sheets as X. And weight as Y. Yes or no? Yes or no? How many sheets? What should I write?
12 sheets.
And weight?
40 gram.
40 grams. Huh? It's grams. 40 grams.
Okay, sir.
And now, how many sheets they have asked? How many sheets? So number of sheets is what here? X2 is question mark. For how many? 2.5 kg. Means what? 2.5 kg means what? 2500 grams. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, prepare the table, start solving. X is proportional to Y. Is X proportional to Y? Yes or no? Number of sheets proportional to the weight. Yes or no, children? Children, what are you all doing? I will stop the class if you are not going to talk to me and not going to answer. I will just end the class and I'll go out. So right here, X is proportional to Y. X1 upon Y1, X2 upon Y2. 12 upon 40 is X2 upon 2500. Therefore, 12 upon 40 into 2500 is equal to X2. Solve it. How much is X2? Tell me.
Sir, 10.
Arey beta, 0 cancels with 0. 4 1 za, 4 3 za, and 250 into 3. X2 comes out to be 750. How 10? Are you understanding or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
what should I write as the answer statement? Thus, what to write? 750 sheets of this paper. 750 sheets of this paper would weigh
2.5 kg. 2.5 kg.
yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I hope the textbooks are closed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, next. Example number 4. A train is moving at a uniform speed. Uniform speed means what, children? What do you understand by uniform speed?
Constant.
Constant speed. So what happens if the speed is constant? More the time, in more time, will you travel more distance or less distance?
More distance.
More distance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And in
Yes, sir.
less time, less distance. More time,
Less distance.
more distance. That
More
means
distance.
who is proportional to whom?
Time is
Less is proportional to more.
नहीं
Yes.
रे अरे not less is proportional to more beta. Distance is proportional to time because distance and time are the two quantities. If one increases, another increases. If one decreases, another decreases. Are you understanding, children?
yes, sir.
Excuse me, sorry. Very sorry. So what is proportional? Distance and time are proportional. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Huh? And what they have given us? 75 kilometer per hour means what? Means what? 75 kilometers in 60 minutes. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are speaking about distance and time. So here distance is going to be, see, it's very important. More the distance, more the time will be required. Lesser the distance, less time will be required. Yes or no? That is what we have to first of all decide. And
Yes, sir.
here they have given us the speed, means what? They have given distance and time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Write down the given information can be tabulated as. The given information can be tabulated as. How? Distance in kilometers. And time. Time in minutes. We'll first take the time in minutes, later on convert it into hours if needed. Time in minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the distance? First distance, what is given to us?
75.
And
75
time?
kilometer.
Very good. Time given is?
60 minutes.
Very good.
60 minutes.
What is asked? How far means the distance. Distance in kilometers is actually our x. Distance is x
X.
and time is y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So distance x2 is unknown when the time is 12 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And what is the third condition? Find the time. So what do I find? Y3 because time is unknown. The third time is unknown, but the third distance is known, 250. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how am I going to mention over here? Here x is proportional to y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here X is proportional to Y. Therefore, number 1, X1 upon Y1. Proportional, so ratio becomes constant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
X2 upon Y2. Put the values, get the answers. What is X1? 75 upon 60 is equal to X2 upon 12.
No, sir. 12, no. 20, na?
12 is the time, na? Y2 is 12, X2 is unknown and Y2 is 12. Yes or no?
Why to 20,
20,
sir?
sir.
Acha, 20
20.
minutes.
There is,
20. Okay, okay, okay. By
yes, sir.
okay, okay. 20 minutes it is. Right, right, right. 20. So by mistake. 75 upon 60 into
Upon
20.
16 to 20.
Correct. Into 20. So 21s are 23s are. Yes or no?
Sir, X is equal to 25.
Correct. X2 is equal to 25.
X2 is equal to 25.
So what is X2? Distance. So what should I write the answer
Distance.
statement? So what will be the answer statement?
The train will cover a
Distance
distance of 25 meters in 20 minutes.
Thus the train will cover 25 kilometers in 20 minutes.
in 20 minutes.
Correct. This time was actually 20. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Next, find out the number 2. Find out the time required for 250 kilometers.
20 minutes.
Also, will I get x1 upon y1 is equal to x3 upon y3? Yes or no?
Yes.
sir.
So again, 75 upon 60 is equal to 250 upon y3.
250. Y3.
Y3 goes there. 250 into 60.
Into 60. Upon 75.
Correct.
25.
25 3s are 25 10s are 3 1s are 3 20s are.
4 into 250. 4 into 250 upon 5.
Nee. See what I am doing. I am doing it in a still easier way. See what I am doing. 25 3s are 25 10s are 3 1s are 3 20s are. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It becomes easy. Y3 just becomes 200. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Teacher, sir, we have to convert it in hours.
You want to, you can convert it. So 200 minutes is how many hours?
3 hours 20 minutes.
Correct.
3 hour 20.
For converting 2 hours, y is equal to 200 upon 60.
Correct. No, don't do 200 upon 60. It's easy. Just make it 3 hours. 63 is a 180. That would be easy. Thus, the train,
Okay, sir.
yes, will cover 250 kilometers in 200 minutes. That is 3 hours and 20 minutes. Thus, the train will cover 250 kilometers in 200 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Good. Are we all understanding, children, what we are writing?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Good. Good. Just a moment. Okay. Now one important another concept is there. All of you will look at me. Finish doing solving this sum, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now all of you look here. See, you will always get this kind of a question also. Sometimes there will be a question depending on the map. Who is now absent? Who is now absent?
Chaitanya Advait.
Chaitanya Advait is absent. He told me that he is not going to attend today. And Aditya Rajmane and Tanishka and Uttam. Soham is again absent today. Okay, fine. Okay. Now see, children, sometimes if you observe the maps, there is a scale written on the map. For example, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometers. Means what? That 1 centimeter on map is actually equal to 10 kilometers on the ground. Okay. So see that India ka map, they draw the map of India. So in that map, every 1 centimeter would be equal to 10 kilometers. Every 1 centimeter would be equal to 10 kilometers. So that makes the scale. Now, that is the exact scale that is given. Sometimes it is more also. 1 centimeter equal to 100 kilometers also scale is there. Because our map, India is too large. On the map, we have to bring it to such a small figure. So now what happens? Always remember, scale is generally taken in similar units. Suppose if they give distance only 1 centimeter as to 1 kilometer, it would be okay. But then if they give 1, see, always ratio is taken of similar kg as to kg. Now here the weight was given in grams. Do you remember we converted the kg into grams? Or we converted the time into minutes because we wanted everything in minutes. So the quantity should have the same units. Are you understanding, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I'm saying is that the quantities which are compared should have similar units. If one set is given in minutes, every time they should be considered as minutes. If one set is given in grams, every time it should be grams. If one set is in centimeters, every time it must be in centimeters. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now see. Suppose if they have given me something like this. Let me take an example. I hope the textbooks are closed. It's an important example. The scale of a map is given as 1 as to these many. Means what? 1 centimeter on map is equal to these many centimeters on ground. Okay. But now on ground, do we measure the distance in centimeters?
No.
No.
No, sir.
We measure it into kilometers. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
So how to convert centimeter to kilometer? Centimeter to meter divided by 100 and meter to kilometer divided by 1000. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
So first I will convert that. Write down. Do you understand what I'm trying to say over here?
Yes, sir.
They have given the comparison in similar units. We will just bring it down for our own understanding. here according to the given condition. Write down. According to the given condition. Alright, what's happening today? According to the given condition, I'm writing the condition. 1 centimeter on map is equal to, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means these many centimeters on actual ground. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now convert it. See how to convert. These many centimeters is equal to these many divided by 100. Divide centimeter to meter, divide by 100. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 2 zeros will get cancelled. So if 2 zeros
Yes.
get cancelled, so one and 2 zeros have cancelled. And these many meters is equal to, how to convert meter to kilometer? Divide by 1000. Do you know that? Because 1000 meters is 1 kilometer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And 100 centimeters was 1 meter. So to convert it into meters, centimeter to meter, divide by 100. And a meter to,
So 300 kilometer.
correct. 3 zeros are cancelling. 300 kilometers. So what we have got? Thus, as per the given scale. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
As per the given scale, one centimeter on map is equal to 300 kilometers on ground. Yes or no? Now did you understand?
Yes, sir.
The given information can now be tabulated as. How are you going to tabulate the given information? How are you going to prepare
Sir,
the table?
in distance in map.
Correct?
Distance in map centimeter
Huh?
and actual distance in kilometer.
Correct. Very good. Distance on map in centimeters.
And
Yes
actual
or no?
Yes.
Is
And
going,
actual distance.
is going to
in
be our
kilometer.
x, and actual
Yes.
distance in kilometers. है ना?
Yes.
Is our second quantity y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how much is the distance on the map?
1
cent-
centimeter.
Actual distance.
300 kilometers.
300 kilometer.
So 300. What is the second condition given to us?
4
Find-
centimeter.
So where should I write
We have
4?
to find a distance in kilometer.
So that should be what?
Actual distance.
Y2.
Y2.
That should be
Y2.
y2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Prepare the table. So what are we going to write here?
1 upon 300 is equal to 4 upon Y2.
Beta will write like this. Here x is proportional to y. Yes or no?
Yes.
X1 upon y1 is x2
X2 upon
upon
Y2.
1 upon 300 is 4 upon y2. Y2 goes there, 300 goes
4
there.
upon Y2.
Yes or no? Correct.
4 centimeter is equal to 12,000 kilometer. No, sorry, 1,200 kilometer.
So what are we going to write? Thus, the two cities are 1200 kilometers apart. Yes or no? Or the distance between the two cities is 1200 kilometers. Yes or
Kilometers.
no?
Yes, sir.
Who has left? Tell me. Why these fellows have left? Aryan has left, right? Who else
Yes.
has left? Omkar has joined in again. Who else has left? Okay, fine.
Teacher, sir, today girls are not there.
Yes. Right. Only Harshada is there. Okay, finished with this sum, all of you? Have you all finished that sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen, I have to make an announcement. Tell me one thing. Do you all want to come for offline classes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Even we want to start with the offline classes. So remember, tomorrow, Sunday, we are going to schedule a meeting with the parents in the tuition premises. We need the consent from your parents that whether they want us to start offline classes and whether they are really interested in the offline classes. Are you understanding?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the evening,
Yes, sir.
in the evening, I'll be posting the message on the group. Now see, all the three classes will be having the meeting one after the another. So if I am giving you a time slot, say particularly 10 to 10:30, means sharp 10 o'clock, the meeting will start. Sharp 10:30, we will wind up with the meetings. So no coming late for the meeting. Tell your parents, sharp timing only, half an hour ka meeting will be there, not more. 30 minutes ka meeting is there regarding starting of offline classes. So compulsory parents have to attend the meeting. Those parents who are attending the meeting, only those children will be taken for the classes. Most probably offline classes will be starting from 4th of October. As per the government instructions, they have given us the date 4th of October. So that we need the consent. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
tell
tomorrow Sunday, na?
tomorrow's Sunday, yes, because next Sunday, most probably Smita teacher might not be available. Even I am not sure whether I have some plans or not. Tomorrow I'm there, tomorrow we both are there. So tomorrow we'll be having a meeting. Okay, most probably in the morning only 10 o'clock. I will inform the timings, the time slot, sharp timing be present for the meeting. Okay,
Sir, what will be timing of
Yes,
offline
sir.
classes?
same timing we will be having for the offline classes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Chalo, goodbye all of you. We'll stop over here for
Bye,
this.
sir.
Sir.
Bye, sir.